President Biden called Georgia's voting law an atrocity, but that's not enough for his party's progressives, who say he needs to step his game up and intervene as an election security bill makes its way through Congress. This as his Department of Justice goes after the state of Georgia. Attorney General Merrick Garland announcing his department is suing the state to stop the Republican-led voting rights bill. And some experts say Georgia may only be the first of several states that the DOJ is targeting. But Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger is fighting back, and he joins us now. Mr. Secretary of State, good to see you. So the Department of Justice claims that the newly passed Georgia law is violating federal law by inhibiting voting rights on the basis of race. Here's what the Attorney General said on Friday.
Our complaint alleges that recent changes to Georgia's election laws were enacted with the purpose of denying or abridging the right of Black Georgians to vote on account of their race or color in violation of Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act.
So that's the DOJ's position. How do you respond?
Well, we're looking forward to meeting them and beating them in court. We're battle-hardened, battle-tested. We've been fighting Stacey Abrams and other progressives since I assumed office in 2019. We've won before. We're going to win again. The governor down there, Brian Kemp, said, quote, "This lawsuit is born out of the lies and misinformation the Biden administration has pushed against Georgia's Election Integrity Act from the start. Joe Biden, Stacey Abrams, and their allies tried to force an unconstitutional elections power grab through Congress. That's the For the People Act, and failed." Now, when you go to court, you're going to be arguing the text of the law, not the political hyperbole that's been surrounding that. So could that be advantageous to you as you make your case and you try to protect the Georgia law? Well, the first thing is, when I ran in 2018, what I said is we need to move away from signature match because it is subjective. We need to move towards something that is very objective, like driver's license number and photo ID. And that's what we've done with Senate Bill 202. It's actually what's being used currently in the state of Minnesota, which is run by Democrats. It's currently being used in both blue states and red states. It's a nonpartisan, bipartisan way of doing and identifying voters objectively. And so I know that that's going to stand up in the scrutiny of the courts.
Voter ID was one of the things that Democrats have been objecting to, but Stacey Abrams, who ran for governor against Brian Kemp down there in Georgia, said that she approves of the Joe Manchin amendment to the For the People Act, which would require voter ID. It would allow you to present something like, let's say, a utility bill as ID, which you have to present in most states in order to get a driver's license. So on the issue of voter ID, have they given you a little bit of support when you go to court?
Well, it's interesting that she's finally recognized the wisdom of what we've been doing in Georgia for over 10 years. When you show up to vote in person, you have photo ID. And when you now request an absentee ballot and then send it back in, you'll have photo ID through your driver's license number. So she's kind of late to the party, but it is what it is. But we're going to fight this on our merits, and we will win.
Now, that's just one of the complaints that Democrats have about this. Some of the other complaints are the absentee ballot rules, things like handing out food and water being prohibited to people who are standing in line waiting to vote. Kristen Clark, who's the head of the Civil Rights Division at the DOJ, said that this is all about discrimination, saying, quote, "Laws adopted with a racially motivated purpose, like Georgia Senate Bill 202, simply have no place in democracy today." What do you say to that charge?
If you look at, for example, handing out water within that 150-foot zone, we've had a no politicking zone of 150 feet for well beyond before the year 2000 when the Democrats ran everything. And really what we're saying is there's no politicking with the 150-foot zone. People were moving within that 150-foot zone with a bottle of water, but they really, in effect, were politicking. And so we just want to say, if you want water, get outside of the 150-foot zone, no politicking within the precinct, within that 150-foot zone.
Do you expect, Mr. Secretary, that this is going to go all the way to the Supreme Court?
I think we'll win at the appeals court, if not at the district court level, because we have the law on our side and we have truth on our side. All right. And all they have on their side is a lot of rhetoric.
We will continue to follow this case. Obviously, this one is going to be a trendsetter with so many states like Georgia, Texas following suit with what's going on there in Georgia. Brad Raffensperger, the Secretary of State of the Peach State, thanks for being with us. Appreciate it.
Thank you, John.